about me, little nigga. I'm from the CK to IDIE. What you hollering about, little nigga? I'm a beast, I'm trying to feast. Catch me in the streets, hollering back. I'm beefing on UPT.
UP3.
Best believe I'm throwing that 7 tray MOB. Nigga, see that 9 tray, nigga. You see him right behind me. And where we is, bloody B. Throwing bloody B. Nigga, what that nigga daddy key, he be MOB.
Yeah, I'm young, black, and I'm thugging, but I don't give a fuck. I just got it from the muscle. My arms getting big cause I'm on no fucking weights. So you know what that mean? I'm about to take you on the date and break your fucking nose. Bitch, I break your fucking jaw. Cause I don't give a fuck, cause you know I break the law. This nigga is so foolish. This nigga is so ruthless. But I don't give a fuck. Just leave you foolish.
Step into the ring with me, I'm for tough, I'm ready, call me Young Freddy, I throw it up, catch me beating down your block and tearing your streets up, I got a grind state of mind, getting cheese like pizzas, you follow soup in my squad, some leaders, so players to this VIP allegiance, B's up, I be spitting like seizures, to beat us, you need a track from Jesus.
Hey.
So we throwing B's up. You know the King B, TTD and T, bruh. You coming around here, we throwing blood. B-L-O-O-D, we get it dirty like the mud. Leave you in a bloody tub. Come around here, nigga, we like some slugs at your motherfucking face. Fuck a mud, bitch, I'm mud. I don't give a fuck. Lay you flat like rugs. Roll you up like a rug, then light you up like tip of my blunt.
Light that shit up like the tip of the blunt. Put your ass out like a cigarette, but no fucking beat. I go hard as fuck. They call me Tony T. Yeah, in God I trust. Me, all and my niggas, yeah, you know we gon' bust. What the fuck going on? Yeah, to try your luck. Yeah, this that thug holiday and that's in us. And what the fuck is going on? Yeah, you know it's us. And when you see me on the scene, bitch, you know I'm clean. It's Tony T and yeah, I keep that thing off in my jeans. Yo niggas say, damn boy, you get a lot of cream. I tell them niggas, boy, you don't wanna see a G. And yeah, you know it's 7 tray, 9 tray gangsters. Niggas stacking niggas, never been no fucking wanksters. What you mean? Yeah, I'm finna pass the fucking beat. Cause yeah, you know this shit gon' go to Lil Daddy Key. This who he be, who he. And I say R.I.P. to I.D.I.E. Since my grandma died, I was so crazy. 2001, got wild in school, and I was not cause niggas' jaws loose. And I was breaking the rules, but I don't give a motherfuck. You know Daddy Key, he gon' throw them B's up. He gon' represent to the motherfucking day he die. And the day he die, you gon' see teardrops on his eyes. Cause I don't give a fuck, yeah, I'm so foolish. This nigga right here, yeah, he's so ruthless. Don't make me say it twice, I gotta do it again. I just represent, but my niggas do it again.
Hey. But my nigga dead and gone. I blow the smoke off in the wind. Play me pussy, you get hit with chrome. See me, I'm in my zone. I ain't lurking, will you lurk yet? Ye my people get for round before we leave you in the dirt. When the fucking turf, where you stand at? Young nigga, never manning down, throwing B's up. Game signs up, I'm drunk as fuck, high as fuck, play me for a duck. All that quack you hollering plat, the pistol get you plucked.
Brotherly love overrides oppression and destruction, so you can be a target with a flow that's disgusting. Get that money, flip that, come back. They call me Emmitt Smith, how them fiends fucking run back. I'm rolling for the South, I'm rolling for the South. Couple ice in my mouth, couple pounds for the drop. If you disrespect the Lord, let the Lord sort them out. And if you don't want that shit, it ain't no doubt.
Shit, 8 years old, I jumped off my mama's porch. Shit, I'm a man. Fuck that, we got some more, so we gonna fucking stand. A middle finger up to your fucking hand, pistol coming to your face. Now you gone, and now you're dead. And nigga R.O.N., you already know me. And shit, I'm in the fucking street, posted up, real creep. Nigga going up, seeking me. What the fuck? So the nigga, I had to slap their ass for they just to go on the street.
Yeah. What a day I moved to Pelican P. Had to stop copping my weed from Tony and Ronnie. Yeah, I gotta do my thug thizzle. You know Daddy Key, I do my gangster jizzle, my gangster dance. I don't gangster dance. I just post up on the wall. The hoes fall to me. I don't fucking dance. Don't wear skinny jeans, no fucking pants. Off, I'm fucking these hoes. I don't give a fuck. You niggas soft. You on your toes. I'm on my toes. Hit you, knock you out. I don't give a fuck. I'm just out on the beat. I'm gone up in the south, but representing the north. I'm in the south. Dirty, dirty south, and I just clean out your mouth.
How we clean out your mouth with the pistol that we tote. If you wanna talk shit, pussy will make you choke. Like we smoking on some dope, but we be smoking on the dope. We be smoking on that fruity shit, and we call it perp. Yeah, that perp that we choking on. Get up on the beat, yeah, I'm smoking on the beat. Everywhere I go, TTD, 10 toes down, I'ma click you, better believe. And you get hit if you run up with that motherfucking heat. Cause I'm busting first, better believe that boy, I murk. 10 toes down, put your ass straight up in the dirt. Have your ass green and fuck like some grab, boy. We don't give a fuck. Yeah, y'all niggas rock, fuck that shit.